Let Garmin get you started with the new Approach J1 Junior Golf Watch. Your child's Approach J1 will come with a fabric band and a USB-C charging and data cable. Garmin recommends charging your child's watch for 2 hours before heading out to the course. Next, let's get your child's Approach J1 Junior Golf Watch set up. Press the button on the top right to power on the watch. When ready, tap the touchscreen to start the setup wizard. Use the touchscreen to scroll up and down through the language options. Then, tap a language to select it. Garmin recommends completing this setup with help from a parent or guardian. Select the checkmark to continue. Next, select your child's golf distance measurement preference. Now you will be given the option to pair your child's Approach J1 with your compatible smartphone and the Garmin Golf App. This will allow your child to review scorecards, personal par, pace of play times, and download the latest software. Scan the QR code with their compatible smartphone's camera. For new customers, scanning this code will open your smartphone's app store. Then, download the Garmin Golf App. Open it once installed. To get the full use of your child's Approach J1 Golf Watch, see our Garmin Devices Child Account Setup video. Now, let's finish setting up your child's Approach J1. Select their driver distance. Personal par sets a realistic goal and helps build confidence. This can be adjusted as your child's skills improve. Select their average score per hole to calculate your child's personal par. You can now set up their clubs to receive suggestions while they play. Select your child's clubs. Then, select Done. Next, select whether your child swings right or left-handed. Your child's Approach J1 will instruct them on which wrist to wear their watch on. Now, let's get familiar with the Approach J1 Junior Golf Watch. Let's start with the touchscreen. Tap on the screen to enable the backlight. Swipe up or down to scroll through menus. Touch an option to select it. Covering the screen with your palm will return to the watch face and disable the screen. Next, let's go over the buttons. We'll start with the bottom button. This is the back button. Pressing this button will return you to the previous screen. Now, let's talk about the top button. This is the Action button. Press this button to make selections. Press and hold this button to open the controls menu. Here, you can access controls like settings, brightness, or to power off the watch. Pressing the Action button from the watch face will open the activities list. Your child's Approach J1 will already have golf as their primary activity. To open other activities, tap the icon at the bottom. The Approach J1 will also have the walk, run, bike, and pool swim activities. Tap an activity to open it. Press the Action button to start or stop the activity. Next, let's go over how to start a round of golf. Press the Action button from the watch face. Select Play Golf. Your child's Approach J1 watch will begin searching for satellites. Once found, it will automatically select the course. However, if there are multiple nearby courses, a list of courses will be available to choose from. Once the course is selected, select either the 9 or 18-hole options. This will be dependent on what the selected course offers. In some cases, you can start play on the back 9. Now, select if your child would like to keep score on their Approach J1 watch. Their recommended tee box will be displayed. This is based on the golfer's age and average drive distance. Here, you can confirm this tee box or select the pencil icon to make changes. Now you will see the hole number and your child's personal par at the top of the screen. On the left, you will see the distance to the middle of the green. You can swipe up or down to see the view of the green and the distances to the front, middle, and back of the green. A colored ring around the watch face will start to count down to ensure your child keeps up with the recommended pace of play. They should hit their shot before the countdown is complete and the ring turns red. Press the Action button to open the golf activity menu. Select Hazards and Layups for distance from your child's location to the layup or hazard. They can also tap the up or down arrows to see the next layup or hazard information. The Golf Activity menu also allows your child to view the green, change the hole number, end the round, and more. Your child's Approach J1 Golf Watch comes preloaded with more than 43,000 worldwide courses and will automatically update the courses you play most often. However, we recommend regularly downloading the full updates with the Garmin Express computer application. And that's it! Your child's Garmin Approach J1 Junior Golf Watch is now set up. To learn more about their device, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.